These matte transitions will work with almost every version of Premiere Pro. Let me show you how to use these transitions. Open Premiere Pro. Here I have taken two sequences. One is Full HD and another one is 4K. These transitions are 4K compatible. Let's import transition clips. Let's place any transition into the Full HD sequence. Place transition like that. Place second clip like that. Take the razor tool and cut the second clip where transition ends. Now go to the Effects panel and search for the Track Matte key. Apply it to the Video 2 clip. Now go to the Effects Control panel. In the Track Matte key effect, set Composite using to Matte Luma. In Matte, select Video 3, which is Transition Layer. These transitions are 4K compatible. To use these transitions in Full HD sequence, scale the transition clip by 50%. But in 4K sequence, you don't have to scale the transition clip. That's it. Thanks for watching.